My name is Stephanie Labonte, and this is part one of my 7th deliverable submission for the Visual Communications in the Media course. The first task that I've been given is to create 2 flyers for the philanthropic organization that I am working with, Unity for All, or UFA. The goal of this visual campaign is to reduce the amount of racism that is projected worldwide, and we will be distributing this campaign in both the United States of America and India. When creating the flyers, the first thing that we considered was the color choices. We wanted to be sure that we were using a color that supported the message that we are trying to deliver. I have selected red as my color for the American flyer because in America, the color red represents power and a sense of passion. It is eye-catching and draws the viewer in. For the Indian flyer, I have selected the color green because in India, this color represents new beginnings and fresh starts. The color green is respected in India, which helps grow trust in the organization. I also want to note that I used Google Translator to translate the verbiage to Hindu to encourage full understanding of the campaign. When we consider the lines with the flyers, I decided to go with straight lines so that we're able to convey an image of organization, which is important when trying to gain the support of followers of the movement. We want to appear professional and trustworthy so we can help grow the movement and gain a stronger base of followers. I kept the same concept throughout both flyers because it is vital that we earn this trust in both countries. Another thing to note is that I used thick, bold lines in both flyers as well, so that we are better able to grab the viewer's attention and demonstrate confidence in our mission. When considering balance, both posters are centered and the text and images are equally distributed and spaced accordingly. There is a sense of equilibrium that exists in both publications due to the even distribution of the visual content being utilized. By altering the sizes and staggering the text on the bottom of the flyer, I am able to emphasize the main goal of the flyer overall. The alignment of the images provides support to the main focuses, the concept as a whole, and the imaging that attempts to create the emotional response out of the viewer. I purposely chose a different image for each flyer to ensure a sense of cultural familiarity within the viewers. It's important that viewers be able to connect with the imaging, and it is most effectively done by using images that portray the actual environment that the publication is being distributed within. I also ensured that the flyers displayed a significant amount of contrast. I used colors that stood out against each other and were able to effectively catch the viewer's eye. I added a box around the organization's name to ensure that the name stands out from the flyer and sticks out in the viewer's memory after no longer looking at the flyer. By making sure that the colors were portraying the correct message and supporting the flyer with the correct imaging, we were able to increase the potential effectiveness of the flyer and gain a larger amount of support within the communities that the flyer is being distributed.